Hi, so now I would like to show you how to uninstall version of Excel add-in. So let's assume you have noticed that there is a new version available on Leonardo website. So all you can do is just download the version. I just downloaded it many times, so I have several versions of it. And if you want to install that version, and I have already installed add-in, you will encounter an error because this Excel add-in is already installed. So first what you have to do is to do add remove programs by Windows. You have to find Leonardo add-in here and click uninstall. Click uninstall. Yeah, I want to uninstall it. Then when you run Excel, we no longer have Leonardo here on the top menu. So let me close this Excel. And now let's install the very latest version. Again, click more info, run anyway. Install, installed. Click Excel, run Excel. And you have Leonardo here. And I can log in here. Signing in, please wait. Login successful. Done.